Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota RAV4 gas tank. It's a straightforward process, but the exact location of the release can vary slightly depending on your vehicle's model. We'll cover finding the internal release, opening the exterior fuel door, and properly securing everything once you're finished. Let's get started with the first step, which is locating that important release mechanism inside your RAV4. First, let's find the release inside your RAV4. For models from around 2019 and newer, look for a button on the lower dashboard to the left of the steering wheel. If you have an older model, typically 2018 or earlier, you'll find a lever on the floor, also to the driver's left. Simply pull the lever up or press the button to unlatch the fuel door. Once you've activated the release, head to the left rear side of your RAV4, just above the wheel. The fuel door should now be slightly open. Gently pull it open completely. Next, twist the gas cap counterclockwise to remove it. Many RAV4s have a convenient holder inside the fuel door to keep the cap secure while you refuel, preventing it from dangling and potentially scratching your paint. After fueling, replace the gas cap and turn it clockwise until you hear a single click, ensuring a proper seal. Then, simply push the fuel door closed until it latches securely. If your fuel door ever doesn't pop open, check for ice buildup or a broken spring. For hybrid RAV4 owners, if you've waited more than 30 minutes to refuel after pressing the button, press it again to reset the system and prevent fuel overflow.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.